This is the video that you are waiting to see, because in today's video I'm going to combine one of the most popular ETFs, and these are coming from different companies or ETF providers. One is going to be from Yieldmax ETFs and the other one is going to be from Roundhill. Previously I made a video to show you which ETF is better if you are to buy one. If you're interested to see that comparison between the two ETFs, I'm going to leave the link below. The main reason to do this is to make that confusion go away. So instead of you having that thought of which ETF should you buy, which one should you sell, what you're going to do is to combine these two ETFs together. And what I'm going to do is two portfolio. The first portfolio, I'm going to have a $50,000 invest in these two ETFs, and the other one is going to be $10,000 for long term. And I'm going to show you between these two how you're going to generate income, or even if you invest $10,000 on each, how that $10,000 on each ETF will make you very rich within only a few years. We're going to do a breakdown of portfolio first. If you look at the portfolio breakdown here, we have qdte. A price of today is $42.55. Share purchased. So if you have $50,000 invest in this ETF, you're going to get 1,175 shares, and weekly income will be 352.53 cents. And what I did, of course, I get a 30 cents here. This is an average income they've paid so far, and annual income from that, we take in 352 times 52. That's going to give you 18,331. That's from only one ETF. Price of ymaxes today is $18.22. $50,000, you're going to get 2,744 shares. Weekly income, you're going to get 493.96 cents. The average distribution is 18 cents per share per week. Annual income is going to be 25,686. Below, I'm going to show you combined income of that one and this one. First, I want to show you how I came up with the 30 cents and 18 cents. ymax average distribution is 18 cents, and that's a calculation that I did, combine all the distribution that they pay so far from when they paid monthly to what they pay weekly right now, and do all the math. It comes to 18 cents per share, and annual yield right now is 53. qdte distribution they pay so far, if we average them out, we're going to get a 30 cents, and the annual yield as of today is at 37%. If we go to Yahoo Finance, we can see the price of today is $42.55, and 52-week range is between 39 to 49. Average volume is almost about 500,000. Expense ratio for this ETF is 0.95. Yieldmax Universe Fund of Option Income ETF, today price is $18.22, and 52-week range is between $15 to $21.94. Volume is a little bit high, is over 500,000, 675. So people have been buying this and selling a lot. Expense ratio for ymax is 1.28. If we combine the MER together between ymax and qdte, we're going to get 1.12. Now let's dive back to our math. Total portfolio results. Total weekly income, it's 352 qdte, and then you get 493 for ymax. Together you're going to get 846.49 cents. Total annual income, you're going to get $44,017. Overall portfolio yield will be 44%, because ymax right now is about 53 and qdte is about 37. So if we average them, then you get yield is going to be 44. This is the beauty of combining two ETFs together, because one you get higher yield, the other one you didn't get a higher yield, but end of the day they're giving you amazing yield. This here is a summary of this portfolio. So you have a qdte and ymax, you put 50,000 on each. Share price, you go as of today is $42.55, $18.22 for ymax. Share price purchase is 1,175, and ymax with your $50,000, you're going to get 2,744 shares, and that's going to give you annual income of 18,331, and ymax is going to give you 25,686. So ymax you're getting more because it has higher yield. Now weekly income on both of them, you're going to get 352. The other one you're going to get 493. Annual income you're going to get $44,017, and weekly income is going to be $846. So do you think you can live with $800? That's going to be the math that you have to do, but I'm going to show you a cuter way to actually invest for people who don't have much money. Again, this is for people who have $100,000. They want to invest all their money in these two ETF, dividing 50,000 here, 50,000 there. This is how much you can generate. But now you are a person who don't have that much money. You only have $10,000 to invest, or altogether $20,000. Regardless what you have, but you want to divide your money that you have. I'm going to show you different type of math you're going to do, which is going to make you a millionaire really quick. And the main number I'm going to use here, guys, is 44%, because I combine them together, I get the yield of 44%. If you're that type of investor, you don't want to have put $100,000, you want to put a little bit of today and then let it grow. This is how you're going to do. You're going to put $20,000, $10,000 on each. Annual distribution yield we put right now is 44%, because that's an average of both of them together. Now we are not going to add any monthly contribution, and we are assuming there's no dividend growth. The dividend will stay the same, and we're assuming the share price will stay the same way it is right now. Of course, if the share price go up, of course your portfolio will be even more. And if they go down, depends on how far they go down, of course you're going to get more distribution and dividend, because you're buying cheaper and more shares, provided they pay the same amount of money. Year one, with your $20,000, which 10 on each one, you're going to have $32,000. Year 5, you're going to have $100,000, because at that point you're going to have total annual income of $31,351 for just $20,000. Year 6, you're going to receive $40,000 in dividends. Your portfolio now is going to be $146. Year 7, your dividend you're going to receive will be $52,028. And that portfolio is going to be 198. Fast forward just 3 more years, that's 10th year, you're going to have 100,000 in dividend income. Just think for a minute, you invested only $20,000, okay, which is 10,000 on each ETF, and then just 10 years you're going to have 100,000 in dividend income. That of course is just enough money for you to retire. But at that point your portfolio is just going to be less than 500,000. It's going to be 447. You're not going to be a millionaire yet. So if you want to be a millionaire and you want to see the magic of compounding interest, you just have to let your money sit for a little bit longer. And longer, we're talking about just 5 years. Within 5 years, your portfolio, you're going to receive a dividend of $250,000, and your portfolio will be $1,391,000. That's amazing. And this is how you can invest in qdte and ymax, combine them together, and you can generate enough income to retire and to make you very, very, very rich. If you like this content, please like this video, and if you don't want to miss this type of update, make sure you subscribe and hit that belly button so you can get notification whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again next video that I'm going to make very soon. Bye bye.